Today we are looking at Lani Terraces C202. Here is the entrance to the building. The parking stall is going to be right down in front, over here next to that green truck. And here's the entrance. There's plenty of visitor parking over here. I want to say there's about 10 to 12 stalls. And then we'll head inside. Alrighty, as we arrive to this unit, we are going to be on the second floor. We had to come up one back and forth flight of stairs and down a couple of steps. Coming in, we have some new flooring in this unit. Immediately on the left is going to be the bathroom. And the entranceway behind the door is going to be the washer dryers. This unit is being rented fully furnished. There's a very nice fridge here. It's the one with the very special opening. Okay, immediately across from the fridge is going to be the kitchen. Fully furnished kitchen, stainless steel appliances, plates, dishes, everything is set up and ready to have you move in and drop your bags. It's ready to go for you. There's one AC unit in the corner over there. A couple bar stools so you can enjoy company. And it is a one bedroom. It does have 2 beds in here. And there is a portable AC in here as well. You do have an ocean view from the bedroom here. You can see your parking stall number 56 there. You can see the ocean on that side of the building as well. Looking back to the bedroom. Two good sized TVs, one in the living room, one in the bedroom. Out here on the Lani, it does have 4 seats available. And then back to the gorgeous view. Okay. Right down here is also going to be where the resident manager's office is. The pool is located down there as well. Alrighty. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tour of Lani Terraces C202. Have a great day.